Major reveals were dropped at the Bandai Hobby site today. Let's look at the upcoming G-Quarks model kits among others for this year. We got the HG Military Police Siksaku with a stated release in April for 2,200 yen. His shoulder lights are in a clear plastic, independent movable shoulder blocks for dynamic movement, movable mono eye, a set of weapons and hands, the anticipated HG Red Gundam with a release date of May for 2,750 yen. Comes with a variety of weapons and detachable shield. Includes those 2 bits that can be attached to his shoulders. Some sturdy action bases for your figures. Movable access points for water control over poses. With plastic stickers of the faces of some of the characters to go on the base. Also for a May release, going for 1,540 yen. From the Figure Rise standard lineup, we get the protagonist Machu. Comes with a variety of facial expressions. The skirt is made of soft material, removable backpack, hardware with its removable hands included. This one can be yours in June for 4,180 yen. The HG gun cannon, who's looking rather cool in this design, will be available in July for 2,200 yen. Comes with a saber, rifle, and a set of hands, as well as its removable cannon that's attached to its back. The other Figure Rise standard, Nyan, comes out a month after Machu on July for the same price of 4,180 yen. Just like Machu, she comes with various facial expressions, interchangeable uniform parts, removable backpack, sunglasses, cell phone, and it includes the little cute robot Conchi. The next addition to the option parts set, we got option part set 17 to add more style to your kits, and that's the binder gun. Can be attached to the back or flipped into a sword. Available in July for 660 yen. Next up in the MGSD lineup is the one and only Aero from Witch of Mercury, and one that I am looking to forward the most. Highly detailed, multiple joints for dynamic poses, like the knees, and where it is accompanied with a sliding movement when they bend. Several clear parts that enhance the overall look. The shield can be broken down into parts and attached to the body. Weapon display is sold separately. We'll have to wait a bit for this one, as it'll be released in August for 4,290 yen. The beefy HG Gallus J from Gundam CC or Gundam CC, also with a release date of August for 2,750 yen, includes its unique energy gun and beam saber, interchangeable parts to recreate some iconic poses as well as add movement. Lastly, the RG Wing Gundam Zero, in a completely new design with improved transformation and mobility. Movable 5 access points in the wings for flexible pulsing. Its twin buster guns can be combined and the barrels are expandable, as well as a lock mechanism for stability when holding the twin buster rifle. Can be yours in September for 4,620 yen. So what are you looking to forward the most? Stay tuned as we'll review the majority of these as they get released. In the meantime, you can check out my full review of the G-Quarks that was released last month. And we'll be back with more, so stay tuned and see you next time.